In this video, I will show you how to fix FPL team name not changing. So to change your FPL team name, you must use it via web browser and not the mobile app. Mobile app does not allow profiles or team name edits. So simply open up Chrome, then in the search bar search for Fantasy Premier League, then log into your account, and this is your home screen, right? Here you can see pick your squad. You can click here, or here you can see squad selection, click there. From there you can choose your favorite team from here. Choose anyone that you like, then click on I accept terms and conditions, then continue. Then click on pick team. Now you will be able to pick your squad. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.